Hi Praveen, hi Abhilash.
Hi.
Hi. So this video is basically just to understand how your experience is going with the SEO classes that is happening in the evening batch. So you can just tell what is going good with your training program, and I think almost 7 to 8 classes has been completed, correct?
Yes.
So how the learning been till this time?
So it's all about the digital marketing classes, that whatever you learn the things from the internet, it is the individual dots, you won't be able to connect it if you are not coming to the mentor or any class. So what we found over here, we have got covered few of the topics prior to this, but when we came and joined the class, it was like we were able to connect the dots, how it was moving and how the digital marketing is going to create the revolution. Our mentor Mahendra sir is taking a really good care of us. He is always dealing with the example that how you need to take the process further and giving the very live examples about the different domains like insurance, health and many others.
Very nice. I think the point what you made here is, like, before coming for the training program or before joining for the training program, you people already did some sort of research. You did some sort of practice or learning practices at your end. So that is little bit making your training program much easier, correct?
Yes.
Okay. But how is the class? How is the training going? How is the trainer, and how the course is being scheduled? Is it happening in time, and the syllabus is taken in a proper sequence for you people?
Yes, it has been driven very well.
It has been driving very well.
Yes.
Anything else you people want to share, Abhilash?
No, everything is good as per now, and the faculty is very nice. He's taking care of every points, and he makes sure that we understand that particular topic.
Okay.
Like he taught today about the Google Panda and Google Penguin things.
Very nice.
He continuously giving us assignment on the particular topic, and we, as soon as we complete the assignment, we got a lot of doubts related to that, and when we clearing out that thing with the sir, we get very clear concept about the particular thing.
Very good.
So it's very good.
Very nice. I think one more good thing what you people are doing is the live project practice or the intensive what you are doing here.
We are practicing over here. So
correct.
That's a very good point for us to get a live project from this institute as well. So,
but more than that, I'll tell you. See, live project is purely given to make your practical understanding or real-time scenario very strong. But one more thing, what you both are doing great is the dedication and the commitment what you're giving, because all this time we have seen different students coming for the training program here, but the type of dedication what you people are committed for example, coming at 2 o'clock and practicing till evening 6:30, and then getting started with your SEO classes at 7 and going on till 9 o'clock. I think that is awesome, guys. I think hats off to you people, because it usually doesn't happen that easily unless you are very focused, very committed. So that's something is your USP which you should be holding on, and I'm sure that when you people are working in the company, you are going to really add a lot of values, because if you have this type of attitude inside you, for sure when you work in a company also, you're going to commit, you're going to give a lot of valuable things for the company to grow up. That's really nice of you.
Yes, it's also depend on interest to interest, as we have a lot of interest in digital marketing.
Yes.
Because even I have studied this thing in my MBA. So this year only I completed my MBA.
Okay.
So, and I wanted to grow myself in this digital marketing thing. That's why I came here to get a deep knowledge about it and get placed in some company to do better thing in the digital marketing field. So this is the main kind of interest what I am having this in live project and the course and whatever the sir is teaching us.
Very nice. And you did your MBA, correct?
Yes.
And what have you done, Praveen? You have some work experience also.
Yes, I have been a business intelligence consultant for the 3 years. I have worked with Capgemini.
Okay, and what made you to leave your job and get into digital marketing from the scratch? Because you are going to be more called as a fresher.
Yes.
So what made you to take this decision?
I had more inclination towards the technology, because it is getting changed day by day, and it's the right time to have a climb on the technology, because it will move the technology shift which we have seen in the past 5 years and which we will able to see in the next 5 years. It will be completely different.
Okay.
So the people has seen the mobile technology, how it is growing faster.
Okay.
So the technology will emerge quite more faster in the coming years. So I thought this is the right technology and the right platform for me to choose in, because from the starting of the days I was into the technology.
Okay.
So I quit my career as a business intelligence and then I moved to the digital marketing. I know it's I had to learn from the starting phase, but I know better that I will evolve more faster than
Very
business
nice.
intelligence in this, and that is the key part. So I chose it.
Yes, I think the attitude of always carrying out that positive thought is so strong inside you, and I'm sure that is going to scale up you like anything. Yes, please, Avilash. And you did your MBA in marketing, correct?
Yes, I've done my MBA in marketing, and before that even I'm from technical background.
Okay.
So I just wanted to go into some technical field.
Okay.
So I can't go for coding and all now.
Okay.
So I just chose this because of my background thing. So I can relate everything and I can come up with the good ideas in this field. If I directly go to sales thing, there it like calling, approaching the customer in a traditional way. But here I can sit in the room and approach the same customer in a digital way.
Okay.
So digital marketing is also about like marketing or selling your product or targeting your customer in a digital way.
Okay.
So-
And are you finding it relevant? Like you have done your MBA in marketing and now you're trying to pursue digital marketing course here. So do you find there is a connection here? Do you find that is quite relevant?
Of course, there is a connection between MBA, engineering, and digital marketing. Because in the marketing, what we got as a subject, so the thought process is that change toward the digital marketing thing. So my thought process is something else toward the selling the product, and my mindset will be different for selling the same product.
Yes.
So there is relevancy from MBA, engineering, and digital marketing.
Okay. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you very much for your valuable feedback.
Thank you.
And yeah, please continue with the classes. Okay, and we should be surely having many more discussions in the coming days. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.